everybody, my name is Oscar Kibet. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to discuss a few things of how we do our crafts here. What we have here today, for example, this is called a cane chandelier. As you can see, today I want to show you how we have it recessed. We have it recessed to the ceiling. So as you can see, what I have with me right now is this is called ceiling ferrule. Now the ceiling ferrule, it has a hook. Yeah, this is the hook. So this hook is attached to the ceiling, and once it's attached to the ceiling, you can see there's another hook here. This hook. Once this hook is on the ceiling, then that is how it goes. Yeah. That is how it goes. As you can see, it's just the same thing as up there. Now this combination is made of brass material. As you can see, the brass material. The brass also has a hook underneath with a stand here. So now this stand, this is what holds the chandelier. As you can see, it's also attached to the chain. This is the chain that you have. And then down here, we have another hook now. We have another hook here. This is where the chandelier is recessed. So from there, we always use what we call a brass bulb holder, because it's much more of quality. So if I can remove this, maybe I can try and demonstrate further so that you can be able to understand. So this is how it looks like. Okay, this is the brass bulb holder. Then it has a switch here. You can turn it on and off. But now, this will not be so much necessary, because this kind of bulb holder was made for table stands. So what happens, you attach this bulb holder to this. Yeah, it's attached to this. Once you remove the chandelier, like for example up there, you attach the chandelier here, and then this one holds it. And then now you can be able to screw your bulb holder there. Now where I get this from is from a company called Lampshade, Kenya. Yeah, I'll also try and maybe share some links there. So they sell very, very high quality. They sell very, very high quality of these combinations. Now, you can attach it to this kind of chandelier. We also have this one. This one is called a bell pendant. You can also attach to this also as well, to any kind of chandelier. So this is now what is called the hook. For example, when you're buying this, you always have to make sure you have the hook. Then you have this. This one covers the wiring up there, and then it should have also this stand here, down here, and then it's easily adjustable because you have the screw here. And then we also have the brass chain. This is the brass chain holder, as you can see. This one now supports the chandelier, which means it can even hold a chandelier which is as heavy as 20 kilograms. But anyway, we don't make that here. What we make here is rattan, chandeliers, and small other lightings. So anyway, this is all I had to share with you today that we use. So please feel free, kindly like, share, and subscribe to my channel.